هل القبلة أو البوسة تفطر؟ Okay. تفطر الصائم. Very sensitive question. Married people. Of course, other people cannot do this at all times, but married people, wife is halal. So let's say he hugged his wife or kissed his wife. Is it gonna break the siyam? Did I made the tarjuma correct? Inshallah. Approved. So, does it nullify the fast? Well, it does not nullify the fast, but you are playing with fire. You're playing with fire, which means there are stories of people who started with this, that it's okay, my wife is halal. It's halal, it's not forbidden. Guess what happened? They ended up actually making that greater violation of fasting, which is intimate relation between wife and husband, destroyed. 60 fasting penalty, or feed 60 people or free a slave. Huge penalties, huh? That's why it's better not to go in that danger zone. It's a danger zone. That's why Prophet ﷺ have two cases. Imam Tirmidhi, I believe in Sunan, brought this, and many other muhaddithin also. I've read it myself, alhamdulillah. A young person came, he asked, "Oh Rasulullah, can I kiss my wife while I'm fasting, or hug her wife?" He says, "No, you can't." Another person came, he was mature, elderly. He asked the same question, Prophet allowed it to him. You see? So you got to be very careful. Very careful.